Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, access tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see, location is now on. You can turn it off by clicking at the same icon, but you can also go into device settings, scroll down, click on biometrics and security, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to location feature or on feature itself. Then turn it on or off by tapping on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!